Dear students, welcome to the course on groundwater and hydraulics, Module 1, Groundwater, Session 1. I am Raja Anwar Hussain, Assistant Professor, Government Engineering College, Raichur. So in this module, Session 1, we will be studying about groundwater and importance of groundwater. First, we should understand about groundwater. What is groundwater? Groundwater is the water present beneath the Earth's surface in soil pore spaces and in the fractures of rock formations. Groundwater is broadly defined as the water present in the zone of saturation below the ground. The zone of saturation is typically called aquifer. Aquifers are significantly porous and permeable to supply water to wells and springs. On the other hand, water stored in ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, seas or oceans and other surface reservoirs is called surface water. So, global water distribution, 97.2% water is found in the oceans, that is in the form of salt water, 2.8% as freshwater. Out of this 2.8%, about 2.2% available as surface water. Even out of 2.2%, 2.15% is freshwater in glaciers, 0.62% is as groundwater. So here the term hydrology or subsurface hydrology, popularly known as groundwater hydrology, is defined as the study of the occurrence, distribution, movement and geological interaction of water in the Earth's crust, especially groundwater. A similar term, geohydrology, is sometimes used as synonym for hydrogeology, although it is more popularly described an engineering field dealing with subsurface fluid hydrology. A groundwater basin is defined as hydrogeologic unit comprising one large aquifer or several connected and interrelated aquifers. It may or may not coincide with a physiographic unit, as we know that watershed or catchment or drainage basin is the basic hydrologic unit for managing surface water resources. Similarly, groundwater basin is the basic unit for groundwater management. The modern concept of water management emphasizes that surface water and groundwater should be treated as single source resource, and unlike traditional approach, both surface water and groundwater should be managed in an integrated manner at a basin or sub-basin scale. So let us understand importance of groundwater. Groundwater, which is aquifers below the surface of earth, is one of the nation's most important resources. Groundwater is an important source of water supply of the world. Its use in irrigation, industries, municipalities, and rural home continues to increase. As the water infiltrates through various states of soil, sand, and gravel found underground, filter out most diseases causing organisms and harmful chemicals. This is why groundwater can be considered as clean water source. Groundwater avoids the water scarcity for drinking in arid and semi-arid regions. At present, nearly one-fifth of all the water used in the world is obtained from groundwater resources. Agriculture is the greatest user of groundwater, accounting for 80% of all consumption. So here the study of groundwater is essential because of several reasons. Of the fresh water readily available for human use, approximately 1% of the liquid fresh water available on the earth, about 98% is groundwater, and the remaining is surface water. Groundwater serves as a major source of water supply to life, that is humans, animals and ecosystems throughout the world. Its physical and chemical quality. Groundwater provides a reliable source of water supply in both humid and arid, semi-arid regions of the world during emergencies like droughts, earthquakes, etc., as well as it sustains flow in rivers, streams, and lakes during dry periods. Groundwater is of the most valuable natural resources of the earth, which supports human health, human livelihood, socio-economic development, and ecological diversities. Groundwater also influences the design and construction of engineering facilities such as dams, open pit mines, tunnels, deep foundations, and geologic storage of nuclear waste or carbon sequestration. Groundwater is also important due to its geologic role by supporting various geological processes such as the formation of soils and their alternation, the development of landslides, rock falls, channel networks, and karst landscapes, oil formation, and valuable mineral deposits. Groundwater plays a variety of roles on a global scale which make this resource so vital for human beings. The water resource and engineering aspects of groundwater hydrology are the major focus of practice, though the groundwater hydrology field has a rich relationship with other earth sciences. So dear students, in this session we have learnt about groundwater and its importance of groundwater. I hope you have understood about its importance. So its importance majorly are for groundwater, which is aquifers below the surface of earth, is an important source of water supply throughout the world. Its use in irrigation, industries, municipalities, and rural homes. Groundwater avoids the water scarcity for drinking in arid and semi-arid regions. Agriculture is the greatest use of groundwater, accounting for 80% of all the consumptions. Thank you.